And God spake all these words, saying, I am the Lord thy God, which have brought thee out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. So now we start getting into the law where we have more rules. Not only have we gone through innocence, where there was just the one rule, the obedience, to not eat of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Then we go into conscience, where there's more rules established, where we have the shedding of human blood coming with a penalty and human government established. And now we're into the dispensation of law, where God is starting to give these commandments to his people. As we continue on in this class on dispensationalism throughout the Bible, I want you to understand that this particular class in the course is not a complete deep dive on every dispensation. There will be a deep dive on the very specific dispensations, but that's not the point of this class. So I don't want you to lose focus on what we're actually talking about here. We're talking about how God dealt differently with different groups at different times. And right now, as you can see, is the graphic on the screen is a graphic of the tabernacle in the wilderness. When we're now past the dispensation of innocence, we're past the dispensation of conscience, we're past the dispensation of human government, and we're in the dispensation of law, excuse me. But here in the book of Isaiah, we can see where there's some instruction, some prophecy given about a future dispensation. And let's pay attention, because God is going to deal with people differently at this time and at the time that the prophecy is fulfilled.